Thinking about a metal roof? It's a great investment. Welcome to your complete guide on hiring professional metal roof installation contractors. Metal roofing requires specialized knowledge and tools. That's why you need a specialist who understands the unique demands of the material. Professional contractors handle everything from structural assessment to the final trim. They ensure your structure can handle the expansion. Precision is key to preventing leaks and ensuring a roof that lasts for decades. Before you hire, verify their qualifications. Are they licensed, insured, and manufacturer certified? Certification shows they're trained in specific systems. Also, a professional never cuts corners on safety and protection. A pro offers core services like full installations, repairs, and seasonal maintenance. Full installations include proper ventilation and flashing. They also diagnose leaks that generic roofers might miss. Top-tier pros also have expertise in gutters, snow guards, and skylight integration. Integrating your drainage and adding snow guards in colder climates is essential for safety and longevity. Always ask for proof of local licenses and general liability insurance. This protects you and ensures the work meets local codes. Local pros know exactly what permits are required. When selecting your pro, start by getting at least 3 detailed estimates. Compare the scope, materials, and warranty. Don't hesitate to ask for recent references and check their reviews. Pay attention to responsiveness. Are they professional and ready to answer your questions? A good contractor explains the process clearly. Ensure everything discussed is in writing before the work begins. At Rapid Roofing, we specialize in the precision required for metal roofing. We treat your home like our own. That means peace of mind and a roof that stands the test of time. Ready to upgrade? Visit our blog or contact us for a quote. Let's build something lasting together.